guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spacers on the Official channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about the off-road wheel spacers. Installation. In the sequence of a stock straight pedal, but do not fully remove them. Lift the car. Remember to place a jack stand under your vehicle. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties. In contrast, Bonus insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. They are only quality products that can ensure driving safety. Off-road wheel spacers can push the wheels out slightly, giving it a more fresh look with the fenders. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.